yet another episode of Blueberry Fishing. Today, we're with the unluckiest man in the world, Lucas So. Hey,搞笑行动啊！对。
Never mind, just take a new prawn.
Where's the prawn?
Just take a new prawn.
Yo, anyway guys, have up. We're just doing the intro and where's my prawn?
Just take a new prawn lah.
You idiot. This 搞笑行动 oh. He's trying to, so my friend Lucas over here is trying to scoop up his prawn that he accidentally let go. So yeah, welcome to yet another episode of Blueberry Fishing. Today we're at Permas Pancing and we'll be targeting all kinds of saltwater fish that we're gonna catch them and then we're gonna cook them, bring them to a seafood restaurant and eat it. Lucas, he's from the smart local. You may have recognized him from the, hey, you got see him before? You may have recognized him from the Smart Local YouTube channel. He used to be a star on the Smart Local, but now he's not smart anymore, so he got fired. That's why he's creating his new YouTube channel, The Dumb Lucas.
Dun dun dun!
Alright, stay tuned guys. We're going back to fishing. Peace out. Alright guys, let me show you what I'm using right now. It's a prawn that's decapitated. I pluck out the head and I put it on a Sure Catch jig head. I'm using a 7 grams jig head right now. So what I do is, right, I'll try and cast as far as I can. You don't have to cast as far as, you don't have to cast very far, but just make sure that like the area, if the area has fish, you don't have to cast very far. But what I do is I just cast very far and I just slowly let it fall to the bottom and slowly hop my jig head. Make contact with the bottom. I let my jig head hit the bottom and I'll just slowly crawl it across the bottom, maybe hop it a little bit also, and then let it fall to the bottom again. Do slow hops, and if you get a bite, you'll feel like you sanko like that, but then you set the hook, then if it pulls back, that means you got a fish, and if it doesn't pull back, then you fight it for about 10 minutes like Lucas did, and hopefully it's a fish, but actually it's sanko. So yeah, that's a basic tactic for today. Hey, go! Nice! Fight! Yeah. Relax. Pull. Okay. Whoa! Oh, this guy! Hey, come. Mr. Lucas.
I'm too strong.
Lucas, with the first blood of the day.
Where's it?
It's over there. It's coming. Oh, it's a GT. It's a nice Jeep.
I get that.
It's a nice Jeep.
Oh, fuck.
Come closer. Pull him to this side. Oh, it's a nice Jeep. It's a nice GT. GT.
GG.
Lucas, how do you feel?
Not bad. But why the fish like bloody one?
GG, I don't know.
Oh, GG.
Mr. G.
Woo. Wow, shit.
Pull him out, man.
Why the fish bloody one? Cut ah?
I don't know, bro.
Your menses blood bleed already.
But the eye is cloudy, not very healthy.
Yeah. Going to die already. Oh, fuck. Wow.
Yeah, you hold this. Yo, dude, first fish of the day.
Yeah, man.
We've been here for like 20 minutes. Woo! How does it feel?
This ends a 6-year drought, man.
How long has it been since you last caught a fish?
6 years.
Okay. Oh, hold it up. Hold the nice side up, not the bloody side. Ah!
Oh.
Shiok, bro.
Yo.
Deep ah?
Deep.
Is it possible to take it out? Yeah, cannot see it.
Looks like we can steam a prawn and a fish together.
Hey, I haven't even filmed our intro yet, yeah. And we already got a fish. The people at the other side was catching what, GT ah?
No. What fish is this? Hey, look, the prawn of feeders is here, see?
Yes, yeah. Cool, man.
Oh!
I got bit. I got bit, yeah. I thought I sangkut. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, don't come on, don't come on. Set him up. Oh yes. Oh, nice. Nice. Mangrove jack, boys. Oh yes. Oh. Woo! Woohoo! It's a jack. Oh man, strong, strong. Oh, he's not giving up. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! Shit man, got no net guys. It's okay, the water is quite shallow today. I'm gonna bring him up. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey shit, I got no... Fuck. Lip grip is not with me. Oh, don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. Oh guys, check it out. Woo! Oh yes, guys, check him out. First fish of the day. Yo, what's it up? We just got this mangrove jack. Big boy jack. Check it out his teeth. Actually, I think this is like... Is it my first mangrove jack on my fishing career? I have no idea, I can't even remember. I was hopping this dead prawn on a jighead and got this bad boy. So we're gonna string him up and maybe eat him for dinner. And this is my boy Lucas.
I threw the rod without...
What did you do?
I threw the reel. Oh, fucking idiot. Then the prawn fly inside the prawn.
Alright guys, check out the first GP of Lucas.
It's dead
Lucas' fishing career. Lucas is your first GP of your fishing career. Hey, fun or not fishing? Alright! What we want? Ooh, yo! What? Huh? Yeah, I ate it. Oh. Wow, the eye Rabaks, the eye rot already. I had to land it on top of him cause he cannot see But then I hit his nose, then he Yo, what is up boys? Just got the third fish of the day. It's another mangrove jack. I spotted it and then I casted my prawn on top of him and he just snapped it, but he has no eyes. This is a blind one eye wheelie, bro. One eye wheelie. Alright, I'm gonna keep him on our stringer and I'll bring it home to my mom. Hopefully I don't die after eating this fish. I see the gills colour very nice. I think it's just the water, bro. Alright. Cool. He got 0. This man over here, can see.
Still 0.
0 fighter today. Nice. No skunk Sunday. Today is not the day you get skunk. What fish is it? Oh, why suddenly so many He got friend or not? He got friend or not? Hey, he got friend.
There's 2 friends following.
Hey, wait, let me try. Let me try. Yeah, I saw a lot. Oh, no, he let go. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, wait, leave it. Yeah, I saw. Oh, nice. Hey, that's a snapper.
Damn, baby.
Damn, son. Wow, hey, I missed another fish today. Not bad, right, this Leo?
Yeah.
This technique. My friend teach me one. Shit, son. Hey, they like frenzy just now, yeah. No. Oh, big bro. Nice lah. Nice. No skunk Sunday, bro.
Today's Saturday, bro.
Oh yeah, no skunk Saturday. Wow, siala, hey, just now I also almost steal, yeah. We almost double up, bro. Are you gonna have him for dinner?
Well, I have him on.
I see his eyes, I see his eyes.
Clean one.
Clean one,
Totally clean one.
Oh shit. Instagram worthy. I thought it掉了. Wow, you're smelly, yeah. Look at us. Oh shit. I cannot see anything. Hey, let's go. Hey, we go there, that side. Son of a bitch!
Don't see anything there.
Look at the floor,
Oh, wait.
Come with me. Okay, it's clear. Shit, man, is this gonna fight the bike? See the cloud on the water. What is up, guys? It's been a long day. It's about 7:53 right now, and it's actually night time already. And we just finished our 3 hours fishing session. And this is my biggest fish of the day, a mangrove jack. And my one bigger now. This one is a finger mark snapper. Probably gonna bring him and cook it at a seafood restaurant right now, along with Lucas, and even Lucas didn't get skunked. Let's measure this. It's quite light, only 1 kilo, 2 pounds only. Really? Yeah. 2 pounds.
Yeah, what?
I think I'm fatter.
Let go.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, but you got the lip grip. No, about the same.
This guy's salty, this guy.
Salty.
This guy's salty.
Alright. Guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Maybe, if I catch fish. Peace. Oh, big boy. That's not mine, but 5.6 kilo. Angkat. What is up, guys? This is the finger mark snapper that Fresh Milky, who is behind the camera, he caught this fish at the last 15 minutes of the day. And so we got it steamed and it's prepared. How do you feel about the fish, bro?
It's very good. It's fresh.
So what's your favorite part of today?
Fishing.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat this fish. So thank you guys once again for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share them with your friends if you want to come here and do the same thing. Peace.
门徒不真掉啊！